Have you ever wanted to automatically calculate totals from related records in Salesforce without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a roll-up summary field in Salesforce step by step. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring admin or preparing for interviews, this is a must-know feature that can save you hours of work. Let's jump straight into it. Now, on the enablement code record, we have our renewals, enablement code renewal records, but we do not want to be going over the um, related page all the time to count how many renewals we have. Now, let's quickly go to the back end by editing the object directly to create a roll-up summary field that will help us to count how many fields or how many records that we have on each enablement code. So we go over to the back end, click on the enablement code, and then go to fields and relationship, select the roll-up summary and give it a name. I'm going to call it count of renewals because it's counting the number of renewal records that sits on each enablement code. So we have it. I'm going to write the field name and next, and select the object I want it to count and select the roll-up type. Do you want it to count some min max? But for this purpose, I'm just counting and not maxing or mixing or the minimum number. So we click on next and then we save. When you save it, go to your app launcher, which is the 9 dots at the top left corner, and access your sales app. Then we go over to the enablement code object and see the field that we have just created that should be sitting on an enablement code record. So when we open this enablement code object, we navigate to any record that have an enablement code renewal, and then the field is here, count of renewals, which is 2. We go over to the related page to check if it corresponds with the number of the records that are there. So we have 2 renewal records, and then the count of renewals says is 2. This shows you how to automatically calculate your fields without breaking your bone. Thank you for always watching. Like, comment, and share. Thank you.